Good morning, YouTube. Today we are off to have a look at the pizza. Auto Addicts. I know you all thought I'd forgot about it, but no, I haven't forgot. It's just winter and no workshop. So yeah, this is a reasonably sunny day. It's not particularly warm, but it's reasonably sunny. So we're going to get over there. Mate mine's helping me out, and we're going to get it out of the garage. It's got probably flat tyres, so I'll need a hand pushing it out so we can get to the tyres to pump them up. And then we'll look at getting some of the plastic covers off the sill, the scuttle, trying to get the spoiler up, or at least enough to have a look underneath. Inner wheel arch covers, things like that. And oh god, I'm not looking forward to it, but look to see just how much rust is hidden beneath all these plastic covers. Because you know what plastic covers are like. Moisture and dirt and stuff like that gets stuck behind them and rots the metal away, completely out of sight. So wish me well, we're going in. So here it is, out in the sunlight for the first time in far too long. It looks all right. There's my little pug behind it. It's my winter hack. But you can see the fluid underneath. That's where we just drained the coolant out of it. But yeah. So what we're doing today, in order to get this engine, which is pizza engine, on the stand, I need to get this plate off. Because it won't reach the bolt holes with that on. So I need to take these off, hopefully take that off, so I can then put it on that stand. Just some numbers on the engine here. We've got a 3 for ZC1S. Not sure what the S is. I thought these were a ZC1T, but this is an S. So yeah, any other numbers I find, I will document when I find them. But first things first, to get them off. So it's off. Here's what we've got behind it. So yeah, I think I might just take this plate off here, and yeah, I think I'll just take that off. Right, so with that all off, we can see the freeze plugs get to the rear seal. So yeah, we're gonna get it up on a stand. So with it up in the air, I need to get this sill cover off. You can see it's a bit rotten at the back of the arch. I know about that. Yeah, the first screw to remove, it just popped off. So obviously we know that's rusty behind there. Remove those screws, remove these little clips. They just push out with a screwdriver. Here we have the inner wing, near side inner wing. You can see it's rather howly. It's worse than I'd thought, but you know, not unexpected. You can see right along the line there. Right above it is where everything the sill itself though looks, you know, a bit of surface rust there, but not too bad. It's all solid metal underneath. Yeah, so the back is... Yeah, there's meant to be a little drainage hole there.
It's meant to have a jagged edge on it.
No. Again, you can see from the topper of the inner wing there just how frilly it's got, and repaired in the past with blue tack, which is not a repair I'm familiar with, but nonetheless, you can see a bit more of it there. It's, yeah.
It's only that bit.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a bit there, look.
Yeah.
Round this.
The jacking point, yeah.
That's not meant to be like that. But it's just this corner.
Yeah, that far end.
Just this corner.
And a bit of
Front
surface
end
rust in the middle there.
Looks alright, don't it?
That does. I mean, this is all lovely. Even the paint's good. That's not blown out along the join.
No. It is up to there. That's
Yeah, yeah.
rest of it.
That's good.
Good.
And all the floor and everything looks okay.
Yeah, it looked that far in.
So next thing, take these covers off the scuttle. And actually, again, bit of surface rust, but solid metal. I'm pleased with that. Again, that side, all solid. Very pleased with that. I was quite worried about what I'd find underneath that plastic cover. So no, very, very good. See the hole under the back of the sill there.
It's alright actually.
It's, you know, around the jacking point, knew about that.
See it?
Yeah, so bit of surface there. Still surface there. Bit of surface up there. That's all solid.
Right down the end looks good.
Yeah. Yeah, so paint's come off, but it's all in the boot. Looks like it's been wax oiled in there. It's a little bit under there, but
Is it?
not much to be fair from what you can see. I think the spoiler's going to have to come off to have a proper look. But under the spoiler, oh dear. I had already seen photos of this from a previous owner many years ago, and obviously it's only got worse since then. So yeah, that's gonna definitely need sorting out. I'll tell you what though, I don't know what they stuck that spoiler on with, but it's bloody good stuff. That black goop, that did not want to come off. And see on that side, it's even worse. It goes right up to the glass itself. So you can see there, right up to the glass. Here's one nice little nugget from today's look around the cars. That's obviously the plate it wears now. This was hidden behind it, which is the original plate from the car. It got the A9 registration in 1993, so when the car was 6 years old. But this is the original plate, so one would assume that was the original supplying dealer. I'd initially thought this was. This is the sticker in the tailgate glass. Birchwood Garage, but no, that is the original plate, so I would assume they were the original dealer. I can't find much about the dealer, other than they also sold Troopers, which is not really surprising. But yeah, so nice little touch there. Well, actually that wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. So yeah, obviously the tailgate's pretty rotten. That could be a problem. I don't know how available glass and stuff is. Hopefully get the glass out without damaging it, but that could be a bit of an issue. Inner wing, I'm pretty certain they're not going to be available, so that's going to be a case of trying to patch that up as best or as invisibly as can be. The sills and the scuttle I am so pleased about. I was seriously expecting so much to be hidden behind those plastics, but no, as you saw, apart from a little bit on the back of the sills, that was absolutely brilliant, superb. I honestly, I could not be happier. So inner wing a little bit worse than I'd thought. The rest of it much better. So yeah, get some prices. I need to speak to Clive of the C5, completely wrong vehicle, of the Piazza Owners Club, and see about what I need for a manual transmission conversion, and if all the stuff for that is available. Also maybe an engine wiring harness. So there's a few bits I still need to get, but hopefully most of it is available, and what isn't available we can figure something out, hopefully. So yeah, a little update on the pizza. I know you all thought I forgot about it, but I haven't. It's still there. Plans are still afoot. It's just with winter and no workshop, I don't fancy lying on a cold concrete floor in the snow, so I had to wait till the sun came back out. But anyway, hope you enjoyed that little catch up, and hope you approve of my plans. But yeah, in the meantime, like, comment, subscribe, usual stuff, and I'll see you soon for another one. Ta-da!